Watch out.
You got it.
I better get in the water.
It's a whale, man.
I think it's stuck. Ah. Is that bush?
Gotta wait it out a little bit, you know.
Come on.
You know he's on there.
Ooh.
Give me a little slack, maybe he'll come out of there, you know. Get out of there.
Big catfish. I don't know. I think it's a catfish. No, it's a trout. Good size.
Watch over here looking at me, you know. Nice
You,
fish.
you saw me cast it, right? Yeah, Scott, maybe you're my good luck charm. Look like he's been beat up by the
Yeah.
cormorant or something.
Where do you see his beat up?
See his body? His body is all like slashed.
What color are you using, Carlos?
White and pink. Remember what I told you?
Yeah. When I was driving here, I was like, I wonder what color the sky is. I was thinking blue. Blue and white.
Right? That's how I always, follow the color of the sky.
Yeah. Do you think I could use a pole holder? 'Cause, my
Yeah,
friend's
yeah.
gonna bring mine.
Yeah, here.
So you got here at 8:30?
Yeah, something like that.
Your wife didn't come today?
No, she's working today. I don't know. It's like he's stuck in the I don't know. Doesn't feel like there's anything on my rod. Yeah, it did. Yeah, nothing. It's stuck in the weeds. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So if they hit the head, actually
Can I buy
that's
one of those from you?
actually yeah. I'll just give you one. Actually,
I want you to
it's.
try these.
Let's see why not. Here,
Thank you very much.
sure.
You're on fire right now. It's almost too easy for you.
No, they like what I'm giving them, so. I was just saying they don't like the other mouse tail. Maybe.
Using a number 10 hook?
Yeah.
Yeah, they were kind of hard to find. I had 8, so I used 8. That seemed to work.
Yeah, my dad sent me these Korean hooks, and yeah, I don't think I got it. I think I lost it.
But he took the back part of it off. You break that off.
Yeah, I think he nibbled the backside. It's swimming. Here he comes. Wow, he be fighting, dude. Oh. All right, I'll just grab the fish. Hey guys, we are here at Sandy Wool this morning, and I got here probably about an hour ago, and found out that there's some a plant that happened yesterday. And usually when you get a plant like that, you just let the fish be for at least a day or so, and then they will go ahead and adjust after that. Anyway, they'll be prime for picking. Anyways, you can see there's quite a few anglers here today, and there's a lot of bird watchers as well. Here's our old anglers, and on the other side of the lake we have a whole bunch of bird watchers that are currently watching the eagle that are giving us a show. There were some ospreys that were fighting for a trout, and that was kind of cool. Anyway, I am using mouse tail this morning. There's a bit of a haze in the sky, and the first mouse tail that I baited my hook with is a pink head with a white body. I had 2 strikes on that immediately back to back, and I've got footage of that. And then I went ahead and switched to a pink body with a white head, and I got a hit on that as well. So anyway, I had put out the same mouse tail out there, and let's see if we're gonna get a hit. I have 3 in my line now. Anyway, I'll go ahead and keep you guys posted, so stay tuned.
One of those days, you know. It's your day. You should go to Reno.
Nah, I don't need to go to Reno. Just come over here and fish.
Get a picture of you smiling, man.
Where's my fish? Where are you, fish?
Give me a big smile here now.
Wow, they're strong.
I saw one jump out in the middle of the lake. Got him?
Yep.
Limited out.
You left your spot.
There you go. That's it. Okay, I just left it up. I think they're fighting pretty quick and that power bait's coming off.
Yep. Whoa, did you see that jump? Hey, look at the color of this thing.
Beautiful, huh?
Wow, look at the color of this thing. Whoa. Very cool. Wow, look at the color of them.
That thing's got like blue in it, huh?
Yeah. Amazing. Ready? Whoa. Hey Scott, power bait. Power bait.
Secret formula?
No, well yeah, well you saw the. Boy, he was pretty.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
He look at it was in the lip.
As soon as you moved over there, I was like, you're switching spots with him. I knew you were gonna catch one. I told my friends, watch 5 minutes. Carlos will have it. Dude, that's where you caught it last time. That's a good hook set.
I know. Look at the hook set, huh?
Barely on.
Look at it, it's barely on.
It's a good one.
Gotta show that on the camera.
Yeah.
Look at that. It caught him just in the nick of time. Good hook set.
You're
All
done.
right, I'm done.
You're going home?
Or I can switch to catfish now. Right?
Yeah, you could.
Yeah, I could if I wanted to. Yep, that's right. All right. That is called the lip hook.
I think I'll get my spot back.
Go right ahead. Oop. Okay. Question is, where is my hook?
Yeah, what the heck?
He's back. Cool beans. Hey guys, just as an update, so I've been fishing for about 2 hours today, and let's see, tried mouse tails. Okay, I had 2 hits on the pink head with white body. Okay, I landed a couple of those, and I also changed to the white head with the pink body. Also caught, you know, one of those. I switched it to an orange body with a white head mouse tail, and I caught one of that one too. So again, you know, I keep on changing mouse tails colors because you know, the sun keeps on coming in and out of the clouds, and now it's hazy now. So in a situation like this, when it's hazy, okay, white is the appropriate color. Anyway, just for fun, I went ahead and switched to a power bait. And then that seemed to have worked as well.
He's a great fisherman. Listen to what he says.
All right, come on over. Okay.
He gave a nice clinic today.
This is Joe. Okay, he and his son are fishing, and I gave him some techniques. So hopefully that stick.
He's a master.
Okay. Well,
you,
not
Carlos.
a master. You're
Yeah,
welcome.
you are.
All right. Thanks, man. All right. So anyway, yeah, I met this nice family, and we put some fish in their lines over there. But anyway, so as I was saying, the fifth fish that I was going for, I use a power bait. bait, okay? And you know, I did my usual orange and green and what else? What other color did I use? Orange, green, and oh, it eludes me right now. Anyway, well, you've seen it in my videos. Anyway, so I went ahead and cast it far, and a few minutes later, I caught my 5th fish. So it's not that often that I get to fish on my own by myself, but you know, I'm constantly, you know, trying to help people and trying to fish with other families and stuff. But you know, that's what's fun about fishing. So anyway, I hope that you guys can come out there and come out here and fish. And you know, this is Sandy Wool. You know, they planted fish a couple of days ago, and oh, actually it was yesterday when they planted. So you know, come and try it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I actually pulled today. I limited out. Stay tuned. There we go. As you can see, I pulled in 5 today. That's my limit. And this one looks like it's been beat up by cormorant. Okay, so it was cool catching these guys today, and it's pretty fun. All right, so as always, come fish with us sometime. Come and fish Sandy Wool. So maybe you'll catch your limit as well. All right, so see ya.